How's that possible?
I didn't say it would be easy, Neo.
What's your name, sir?
Hey, they said Hawaii got knocked out. Hawaii not on Earth no more.
Yes, it is. What's your name? What's your name?
My name is Andre Graham.
All right.
Calling case number 2405.
No.
Mr. Graham, remember?
Case number 240-571-4201. People said Minsky versus Henry Graham. Appearances, please.
Jennifer Douglas for the people, P17748.
And Ryan Murad, P83665, on behalf of Mr. Graham. We waive the formal reading. Mr. Graham stands mute. He's been advised of his constitutional rights.
Not guilty plea on behalf of Mr. Graham. Ms. Douglas, argument.
Your Honor, on Mr. Graham, the people wouldn't have an objection to a $35,000 personal bond if there's tethered with a curfew. Here we have a concern for the safety of the complaining witness. Your Honor, here we have a actually, just to clear something up, there's a HAB notice that says Mr. Graham has a conviction from May of 2024. I don't see that on his lien. I see a conviction from 2018. And when I looked in Odyssey, that's all I saw. So I don't know what I think Mr. Graham is yelling something, so I'm not sure what he's trying to share.
He's okay. Let's just keep going.
Okay, sorry. So I'm not aware of any 2024 conviction, Your Honor. So I just want to make that clear. It would appear, based on what's on the complaint, it would make it seem like he's on probation. I don't see anything that he's on probation right now or has anything subsequent to the 2018 case. Your Honor, so we have a concern here for safety, given what the witness said, that this allegedly happened in front of a witness makes us concerned that Mr. Graham is unable to or unwilling to control his anger. And so Mr. Graham allegedly told the police that he wasn't supposed to be living there. I don't know why he wouldn't be supposed to be living there, but we do have concerns given what's alleged. So we don't have an objection to a $35,000 personal, but we would ask for tethering the curfew to ensure no contact with that complaining witness or that location.
Thank you, Ms. Douglas. Mr. Rod?
Judge, on behalf of Mr. Graham, I'm on the same page with the personal bond. I guess just with regard to the tether, I guess I don't have necessarily a KPS history. I'd ask the court to consider just a personal here. He indicates he has a stable residence with his mother and understands not to have any contact with the complainant or that Fordham address. I'd ask for personal bond with those conditions. He does take some medications. I know he's received some.
Your Honor,
go ahead, Ms. Douglas.
I was just going to say there was, in the 2018 case, there was a KPS. There was a show cause hearing while he was on probation. It was scheduled for February 27th of 2019. He failed to appear. There was a remand ordered. He was not arraigned on that bench warrant until May 10th of 2019. So over 2 months passed before someone caught up with him again. So I can't say there's no KPS history. There is some KPS history where he was missing for over 2 months.
Well, given this KPS history, albeit as minor as it may be, and given his, where'd he go?
Oh, he's right there, Judge.
Given his animation before the court, I am concerned about him going back to the location. And so $35,000 personal bond, no contact with Jacob Anderson, do not possess any firearms, handguns, other dangerous weapons. He's not to go back to that group home on Fordham Street whatsoever. And I do feel he needs a tether to keep track of him with a 9 p.m. to 6 a.m. curfew. Given his posturing this morning, I think he does need monitorization. I don't trust he will adhere to the court orders in terms of staying away from the Fordham address. So I want to make sure he has some incentive to stay away.
Thank you, Your Honor. Can we mark it medical too?
DDC, can you mark it file medical?
Yes, sir.
All right. Probable cause, May 17th from the Judge Jefferson. Preliminary examination, May 23rd in front of Judge Jefferson. Have a good day.